Okay, so here's some more sample video from the Caddx Turtle V2. I've changed the saturation to 4 from 5. I left everything else the same. I've changed the field of view to medium, and I'm going to render this video in 2.7K at 60 frames per second for those of you guys that wanted it in 60 frames per second. And I also refocused the lens, so the clarity or focus or sharpness should be better than it was in the first video. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you think any more adjustments need to be made, I'll try and take those into consideration for the next video.